TSI, or timber stand improvement by definition, is the practice of forest management that involves the vigor, stocking, composition, productivity, and quality of forest stands. The thing about this practice, however, is that it is defined mostly by the goals you have for the land. It could be centered completely around profitability and maximum lumber production, or, like myself, wildlife and conservation could be your main focus.
Hey girls, here, come on, hey, hey. Get it. Good girl. Let it, girl. All right, bring her back. Bring her back. Good job.
I had the privilege to meet with a forester from the Missouri Department of Conservation, where we were able to define the goals for 6.6 wooded acres of this 10-acre plot. And because I did the work myself, I was able to invest that money back into the property. Here in Missouri, foresters from the MDC will consult landowners for free and help them achieve their goals. For this particular section, my goal was, of course, primarily to increase the value of wildlife habitat, to make it attractive to deer, turkey, small game, and other native species. I wasn't thinking only of game I hunt, but of the general ecology of the entire forest, right down to the insects and microorganisms. To get started in this direction, I opted to remove any and all non-native or invasive species, including honeysuckle, flamalta roses, and ornamental pears. I did this by cutting and using tordon to eliminate regrowth. Second, species of low wildlife food value and value in general were heavily thinned. Hackberry, elm, North American red cedar, these made up the bulk that were removed. The stumps of these were also sprayed with tordon that contained a dye to prevent overspreading and marking what had been done. Thirdly, some hard decisions were made and spacing was implemented. If it came down to two high-value trees and they were too close to each other, white oaks and walnut were favored, and if several of these high-value trees were too close, I would pick the straightest and the healthiest tree in the group. It should be noted that a dozen or so den trees were left per acre, crooked, mangled, and partially hollow. These trees make homes for small game and fur bearers, as well as some species of bats. All in all, I'm extremely happy with results from this project. This will improve the health, diversity, and wildlife habitat for the future of this land, making it a small acreage paradise.